Hello everyone. Today we are taking triangle and its properties, chapter 6, class 7. Okay. In this chapter we have to deal with in exercise 6.1 related to altitudes. Altitudes means which makes 90 degree with that particular line. Number 2, we have to deal with median. Median is a line which divides the triangle into two equal parts. It touches midpoint of the opposite side. This is about 6.1. That is exterior angle property. Second part is exterior angle property. That means sum of interior opposite angle is equal to the exterior angle. This is of exercise 6.2. Third, angle sum property. As we know, sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180. It is called angle sum property. That is in exercise 6.3. So we are discussing three exercises only. Then after 6.4 and 6.5 also. So what we are taking today, these three exercises only. And what is altitude? As you can see, altitude means here AD is altitude. Altitude is, what is this? AD, which makes this is the altitude. As you can see, this is making 90 degree. 90 degree with the side PC. Second is median. Median, AD is the median. Median is, this is AD. As you can see, D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So median touches the midpoint of opposite side. A is touching midpoint of BC. So this is about the median. Now we move to next. Now we discuss exercise 6.1. Here you can see D is the midpoint of QR. Here you can see that this D point. This is the midpoint of QR. So PD will be the median. And what about PM? PM is making 90 degree. You can see here 90 degree. So PM is altitude, which make 90 degrees called altitude. Since D is the PD is the median. Since D is the midpoint, so we call PD is the median. Now is QM and MR equal? This is Q1 and this is MR. Are they equal? We say no. Now we move to question number 2. Draw a rough sketch. We have to draw a triangle. For example, let me draw a triangle. Now in this triangle you can see, let it be A, this is B and this is C. Then we have to draw a median BE. Let me draw the median BE. So this is E. So this is, what is this? This is median. This is about question number 2. A part. Now we talk about the B part. Question number 2. B part. PQ and PR are the altitudes. Here you can see PQ and PR are the altitudes. So we draw a triangle PQR. Here you can see this, let it be point P. This is Q and this is R. You can see this is making 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So PQ is perpendicular on PR and PR is also perpendicular on PQ. So this is about question number 2, B part. Now we talk about question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram if median, altitude or triangle can be the same. Let me draw once again. Here you can see I have drawn it again. Okay, this is A, this is B and this is C. Here you can see this is AD. AD is making 90 degree. So AD is altitude. Number 2, as BD is the midpoint, BD is the midpoint, B is the midpoint. So we can say AD is also a median. AD is also a median. So this is about question number 3. Now we move to exercise 6.2. Now in exercise 6.2, this is related to exterior angle property. As you can see, exterior angle. So what do you mean by exterior angle? Whenever there is exterior angle, that is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Here you can see angle X is the exterior angle, and 50 and 70, they are interior and opposite angle. So question number 1, first part, X is equal to 50 plus 70. X is equal to 50 plus 70. So X equals to 120. This is first part. Similarly, the second part, X is equal to 65 plus 45. X is equal to 110. Now third part, here angle X is also exterior angle, so X is equal to 30 plus 40, so X is equal to 70 degree. So this is all about first, second and third part. Now we talk about the fourth part. Here you can see x is an exterior angle, so x is equal to 60 plus 60, or x is equal to 120. So this is about fourth part. Then we move to the fifth part. X is equal to 50 plus 50. Here this is also an exterior angle, so x is equal to 100. Similarly, the sixth part, this x is exterior angle, so we say x is equal to 30 plus 60, so x is equal to 90. This is 6.2, question number 1. Now we move to question number 2. This is question number 2. In question number 2 also, here you can see this is exterior angle. So in first part we can see 115 is equal to x plus 50. इसको उल्टा लिखेंगे तो इधर ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, x plus 50 is equal to 115. Or x is equal to 115 minus 50. X is equal to 65. So we move to the second part. Here you can see 100 is exterior angle. So in second part, 100 x plus 70 equals to 100, or x equals to 100 minus 70. So x is equal to 30 degree. This second part. Now in the third part, question number 2. Here 125 is exterior angle, so we say 125 equals to x plus 90. This symbol denotes 90 degree. So we can write in this way also, x plus 90 equals to 125, or x is equal to 125 minus 90, or x is equal to 35. So this is third part. Now fourth part. In fourth part also 120 is the exterior angle, so we can write fourth part, x plus 60 equals to 120, or x equals to 120, write it again, 120 minus 60, or x is equal to 60 degree. So this is the fourth part. Then fifth part. Here you can see x plus 30 equals to 80 degree, or x equals to 80 minus 30, or x is equal to 50 degree. So this is fifth part. Now we move to the sixth part. X plus 35 equals to 75. Since 75 is the exterior angle, so x is equal to 75 minus 35. So x is equal to 40. So this is all about this exercise. Now we move to the next exercise. 6.3. This is related to angle sum property. Here we can say, as property means sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Question number 1. First part, x plus 50 plus 60 equals to 180. So x plus 110 equals to 180. X equals to 180 minus 110, or x equals to 70 degree. This is question number first part. Then second part. In second part you can see this is 90 degree. So we write it as x plus 30 plus 90 equals to 180. So x plus 120 equals to 180, or x equals to 180 minus 120, or x equals to 60 degree. So this is second part. Now we move to the third part. In third part, we can see x plus 30 plus 110 equals to 180, or x plus 140 equals to 180. F equals to 180 minus 140, or x equals to 40. This is third part. Then we move to the fourth part. In the fourth part we can see here both are x. So we write it like this: x plus 50 equals to 180, or 2x plus 50 equals to 180. 2x equals to 180 minus 50, or x equals to 130 upon 2, or x is equal to 65. So this is fourth part. Now we move to the fifth part. In fifth part you can see all the angles are x. So fifth part we can do like this: x plus x plus x equals to 180, or 3x equals to 180, or x equals to 180 upon 3. This is equals to 60 degree. So now we move to the sixth part. This is 90 degree. This symbol denote 90 degree. So we write like x plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180. So 3x plus 90 equals to 180. So 3x equals to 180 minus 90, or 3x equals to 90, or x equals to 90 upon 3, that is 30. So this is the sixth part. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, both exterior angle property and angle sum property are used. Here you can see this is exterior angle. So we take one by one. Question number 2. First part, x plus 50 equals to 120. First we are taking exterior angle property. So we can calculate the value of x. X equals to 70 degree. So after this we can use angle sum property, that is x plus 50 plus y equals to 180. So 70 plus 50 plus y equals to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 120, or this is equal to 60 degree. This is question number 2, first part. So it is in two parts. First we have used the exterior angle property up to here. Then we have used the angle sum property from here. Now we move to question number 2, second part. This is 80 degree, and these y and 80, they are vertically opposite angle. So y is equal to 80. These are vertically opposite angles. Then we use the angle sum property, that is x plus y plus 50 equals to 180. Put the value of y here. So x plus 80 plus 50 is equal to 180, or x plus 130 equals to 180, or x equals to 180 minus 130, or x is equal to 50. Then we move to the third part. In third part, this is exterior angle. So in third part, question number 2. x is equal to 50 plus 60. So x is equal to 110. Next, we use angle sum property. Y plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180, or y plus 110 equals to 180, or y is equal to 180 minus 110, or y is equal to 70 degree. This is the question number 2, third part. Now we move to the remaining parts. Here you can see in these three, let me increase some size. Let me come to this one. Okay, in this one, this is, and they are vertically opposite angle. So fourth part, first I say x is equal to 60, reason vertically opposite angle. Then we use angle sum property. It is x plus y plus 30 equals to 180. So we use the value of x. So we write here 60 plus y plus 30 equals to 180, or you can say y plus 90 equals to 180. Then y is equal to 180 minus 90. So y is equal to 90. This is fourth part. Then we go to the fifth part. In fifth part you can see this is vertically opposite angle, y and 90. So y is equal to 90 degree in fifth part, and then we can say x plus y plus x equals to 180. So we put the value of y, x plus 90 plus x is equal to 180 degree, or 2x plus 90 equals to 180 degree. इनको हम कंबाइन करेंगे, और 2x equals to 180 minus 90, और 2x equals to 90, और x is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45. This is fifth part. Then we move to the sixth part. Here you can see angle y and angle x. They are vertically opposite. So we can say x is equal to y. Reason vertically opposite. Here you can see this is x. So this is also x. This is x. So this angle is also x. So we can see all angles are x. So we say x plus x plus x equals to 180, or 3x equals to 180, or x equals to 180 upon 3, that is 60 degree. X equals to 60 degree. So this is about sixth part, and as x is 60 degree, So here yx is equal to y and which is equals to 60 degree. This is all about this exercise. Chapter 6, exercise 6.1, 6.2.